In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive and share them with others efficiently. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a refresher, we'll cover everything step by step to ensure a seamless experience. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and go to Google Drive's website. Once there, sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed, as it's essential for accessing Google Drive's features. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Click on that button, and a small drop-down menu will appear. Here, you have a couple of options. You can choose File Upload if you're uploading individual files, or Folder Upload if you have an entire folder you'd like to upload. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs. Next, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the file or folder you wish to upload. Once you've found the item you want to upload, you'll need to either double-click it or click once to select it, then hit Open or Select at the bottom of the window. This action will initiate the upload process to Google Drive. As the upload is in progress, keep an eye on the bottom of the screen, where you'll see a progress bar or a small notification indicating the status of your upload. The speed of this process will depend on the size of your file and your internet connection. Be patient and wait for this process to complete fully. Once the upload is finished, it's time to locate your file on Google Drive. You can find it in the main area of Google Drive or use the search bar at the top if you're having trouble locating it. Once you have found your file, hover over it and right-click. This will open a menu where you'll need to select Share or Get Link, depending on how you wish to distribute your file. In the sharing dialog that appears, go to the section labeled General Access. Initially, your file's access is set to Restricted, meaning only you can view it. To share it with others, you'll need to change this setting to Anyone with the link. However, ensure you're comfortable with anyone having access before proceeding. Now, decide on the level of access you want to grant to others. Your options are Viewer, which allows others to only view the file, Commenter, which permits users to add comments, and Editor, which gives full editing rights. Choose wisely based on your sharing needs. After setting the desired permission level, select Copy Link. This will copy the file's shareable link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you need to share it. Finally, click Done or Save to finish up the sharing process. And there you have it. Your file is now uploaded and shared through Google Drive. I hope this guide has been helpful, making your Google Drive experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips.